Okay, so today maybe the photo shoot is gonna be my last photo shoot of the year 2018. Because I think today is the 16th. So in the next couple of weeks, in my schedule I have no photo shoot yet, and I'm gonna very busy at the salon and with the family. So yeah. It's maybe my last photo shoot of the year. Maybe something else I'm gonna do at my house for taking picture of my family, my kids, but it's not an official photo shoot. So I'm gonna do a photo shoot for a customer. She found me on Instagram and contacted me. I'm gonna show you a quick behind the scene of a photo shoot today, right now. Oh, before I show you that, I have to tell you it's gonna be very hard for me today because she from Colombia, so and she speaks Spanish, not English. So it's kind of really hard for me to communicate with her and know what she wants, what she like, and even for the makeup artist, because the makeup artist, she doesn't speak Spanish either. Let's get started. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please, Santa, bring back my love tonight. So the shoot went by quite, longer than I expected. I thought it's gonna be about like a couple hours, but turned out it took 4 hours. Tired, but I got some good shot for my customer as well. Just so you know, I shot the behind the scene using the gimbal that I just bought from B&H, the Moza Air 2. I like it a lot for now. It's kind of very heavy, but because it's heavy, so it can handle my big camera. But it needs a lot of practicing to, master on the move. But I'm getting there. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm working on a lot of new videos and they are all in post-production. It takes me a lot of time because I have to train myself to use the Adobe Premiere. After like so many years I use the Final Cut. So hit the bell and then you are gonna be the first one to know when all of the video uploaded. Thank you and see you again.